Hey guys, another fun video for you guys today, but today it is a toy DIY goth craft. A while back I got this mermaid toy from Goodwill, and when by me there's this huge bin and it's all 50 cents and you can get a stuffed animal, whatever. So I actually did this mermaid, and I've always wanted to just have fun and record myself just having fun doing a craft. Well, with this craft, I got this purple mermaid, and I thought she was so cute, and I wanted to goth her up. I have a horrible tendency of doing this kind of stuff where I just get a toy and just have fun with it. So, for this project, you just get a toy you like, any kind of toy at all, and you go at it. So with her, I did a lot of fun things. I had to pull her hair back, and get it all set up. So that's always fun. I was picking out different pieces I wanted. I had to get some paint. I wanted to change her eye color. Everything that, you look at and you're like, yeah, let's change that up a bit. So I was just, having fun getting her decorated. I'm going to fast forward through all that, eye hair pulling stuff and go straight to where I start working on her face. Now, when I was working on her face, I really wanted her to have the makeup style I like, which is over the nose. Now, I don't know why. I blame the movie, what was the name of it? It was with Tim Allen. And Jungle to Jungle. If any of you guys have ever seen Jungle to Jungle with Tim Allen, it was an old Disney live-action movie where this guy finds out he has a son while he's going to go get divorce papers. So he never knew he had a kid, and he's finding out while getting divorce papers from his wife that he hasn't seen in years, obviously. So he brings the son back to the city. And there's this makeup that he does over his nose, and I absolutely love that style. And I've seen a lot of people in alternative fashion that does this, and I absolutely have always fell in love with it. I actually do this makeup when I'm going out or something. So for this, I wanted to do that, along with scales creeping all over her face. And I did my, fake piercings on her face, and I wanted to make it, she's going to be my little gothy mermaid, and things like that. I did a Harry Potter scar. I was hoping that would have came out a lot better, but what can you do? I did try painting on some piercings for her and things like that. That also didn't come out as much as I wanted to. I would like to have, oh, there goes the air conditioning, or heater, I should say. I would love to have actually gotten some real, hoops and stuff and, gems to put on her. But because of her fabric, I'd be afraid it would just look too blocky and it wouldn't look right. It would not look the way I wanted to. For most of this, I am using Sharpies, which I'm pretty sure you've probably spotted me pulling out of my little craft box and things like that. I don't know if it's up to this scene on my audio, but I'm drawing over the gems or the piercings, and they don't look so great, but it's okay. She looks way better in person, I must say. The visuals do not capture it the way it should, but what can you do? For her t-shirt / seashells, I wanted to do something different. I wanted her to look like she was having a tank top / corset. I had to put a skull on it because, let's face it, she's a gothy mermaid, You can't have all sunshine and rainbows on your mermaids. They got to be very, very diverse and in different styles and things like that. So I did get a few weeks later, I did get a second mermaid they had. So I don't know if someone just had these mermaids and they donated them at the same time, but they just didn't make it to the floor. But I got a pink one, like a bubblegum pink one. And so the next chance I get, I'm going to do a crafting video on turning her into more of a candy girl, a raver girl, we'll say. And oh my gosh, I'm looking at how I'm doing this corset, and I'm like, oh, that's right, I wanted that to be more like a fishnet, and it just did not work out, so I just colored it in and said, forget this. So if you're up to the corset part, it's just a hot mess, and not a good hot mess. There we go, let's fix that. So coloring her was fun, because she's that velvet, like, fleece plushy. I mean, very soft, and it kind of picks up the coloring, but I mean, what can you do? But yeah, so I did get a pink one, and I'm going to make her very raver candy girl, because I'm into goth, and I'm into techno raver. I know that's like an unorthodox thing, but hey, that's how I am. Let's just get over that. So, I'm getting her corset all done, but I was like, no, she needs some more. She needs some more attention. So, after I got her outfit done and everything else, I'm trying to get So after I got her corset done, I was like, nope, we need to do some more. So, bust out my hot glue gun. You've seen it in my bat video. I don't know why I'm just showing it off. I just got it at that point. This is an old video that I've been wanting to do, but it has fallen on the back burner. So hence the wonderful editing. I do have another one that's even worse editing, so please bear with me. So I was getting little things together, chains and hoops I did have. Like I said, I did want to do hoops for her piercings, but it just would look awkward, I think, on her. So we're just going to go with what we can. I'm trying to move my wonderful camera angle, because that's totally going to help us, everybody. So yeah. So I had some spare ribbons and things like that, and I was just like, all right, what are we doing here? So, cutting, gluing, I made her a choker, and actually, the choker you guys are going to see is actually electric tape, and hey, it worked. I think it was electric tape or duct tape, and I remember being very, very old school, and not, being allowed to get things like that. I would actually make bracelets and stuff out of duct tape and masking tape before it was cool, y'all. Before it was cool. I'm talking like 1995. Before you guys did all those duct tape roses. Anyway, if anybody else did this, please leave a message in the comments, because I felt like such a dork doing this. I actually got that from my older sibling, because they used to duct tape binders and notebooks and stuff and draw everything all over it, so I should blame them for this. But yeah, so I'm just basically getting her some jewelry and chains and necklaces, because we gotta rock it out, right? I mean, that's how we are. And then I did her belts. Her belt was fun. That was fun, because I was trying to get her skirt to stay down. It was just not listening to me at all. And that was fun. So, and it was okay. It was alright. But after I got all the jewelry on there, I got her belt, her necklace. I gave her a little crown. And I had to redo her hair, because it was just too obnoxious. Her headband was a little bit of a problem, because, I mean, it's an old necklace chain, but I think we did pretty good. I think she came out cute. But yeah, so I'm going to show you the finished product. I mean, it's not great. I think she came out okay, but I had fun making her, and that's all you need, is to have fun. So, remember, if you have jewelry that breaks, bracelets, necklaces, whatever, hang on to that stuff, because you can have some huge fun just putting it together and adding it to things. So yeah, so there's my little mermaid. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great day and talk to you later. Bye!